really good. And it gives that Goan feel as well because these are cottages and it's all wooden. So that's there. So this is the pathway now that would take me to the pool. They have a small pool that you can use, and it's usually kept very clean, so you can use this as well. They do not have an in-house restaurant because they just have a shack outside, so you can use that. This is the pathway to the small pool that's there, so you can enjoy. And it's very quiet. You will not even feel that there is a lot of noise of the shacks coming because it's next to the beach. It's very quiet and calm. Now this brings me to the end of this place. So now I'm taking you to the beach, and they have a very small shack which is quite pretty. Obviously you can just roam around and you can hang out in any other shacks nearby as well. So this particular cottage that I'm showing you, Little India cottages, these are in the middle of Calangute and Baga.